Another unboxing today. We've got the Hero 9 Black Edition. This is the retail. You can find this at Ron Jon or basically any big retailer. I bought mine at Ron Jon. $4.49. There will be a little pull tab right here in the bottom that I slid. So here we have the carrying case, which the GoPro will be inside of. SD card is right there. We get a 32 gig. Let's pull these out and show off the accessories. So we have the GoPro out. We've got the 2 spare batteries. We have the floaty, some mounting pieces. This is gonna be good for storing SD card, product questions key. We got the GoPro stickers and mount, as well as the USB-C type charger. So unwrapped and on, and I will show you some footage with it. Can't complain at all. Let me just flip it around, go by the window over here. 1080p 60 does not look bad at all. Cinematic. So the 4K 30 is going to be a slower lighting in here. I don't have a lot of lighting, but it's going to offer that better. Even just slow hiking, it might be good. As well as picture taking, you can take 5K and 1080p 60. But I definitely love this. I'm going to stick with this camera for a good long time. And this here is the 2.7K Super View. So the whole window, last time we were through here, you were seeing approximately this much of it. See a lot more.